Why Nietzsche? Friedrich Nietzsche's philosophy revolves around power dynamics, self-mastery, and overcoming societal weaknesses. His concept of the will to power, striving for dominance over oneself and circumstances, is key here. Many men unknowingly let insecurities control them, making them vulnerable to manipulation. This guide exposes 7 silent traps and teaches you to stop her before it's too late, using Nietzschean strategies. 1. Fear of being weak or unmasculine. How it's exploited. Women may subtly question your decisions, e.g., "Are you sure you can handle this?" to trigger overcompensation. Nietzsche's fix. Embrace amor fati, love your fate. Own your choices unapologetically. Strength isn't brute force, it's unwavering self-trust. Action step. Next time she doubts you, calmly reply, "I've made my decision." No justification. 2. Need for constant validation. How it's exploited. She might withhold praise to make you chase her approval, e.g. silent treatment after achievements. Nietzsche's fix. Become who you are. Validation is a slave mentality. Nietzsche urges self-affirmation. Action step. Write down 3 personal values. When she ignores you, revisit them. Your worth isn't your currency. 3. Fear of emotional vulnerability. How it's exploited. She might weaponize vulnerability by sharing it selectively to guilt trip you, e.g., you never open up. Nietzsche's fix. What doesn't kill me makes me stronger. Vulnerability is strategic, not a weakness. Action step. Share emotions only when you choose to, not under pressure. Say, "I'll share when I'm ready." 4. Insecurity about financial status. How it's exploited. Comments like, "Why can't you afford better?" to provoke overspending or guilt. Nietzsche's fix. The noble soul has reverence for itself. Wealth is a tool, not your identity. Action steps. Set financial boundaries. Respond, "I invest where it matters." 5. Fear of being replaced. How it's exploited. She might mention other men's successes to trigger jealousy, e.g., "John just bought his girlfriend a car." Nietzsche's fix. The individual has always had to struggle to keep from being overwhelmed by the tribe. Your uniqueness is power. Action step. Redirect. "I'm glad John's doing well. I'm focused on my path." 6. Anxiety about sexual performance. How it's exploited. Backhanded praise like, "You're good" for someone your age. Nietzsche's fix. There are no facts, only interpretations. Reframe anxiety as energy. Action step. Laugh it off. "Glad I could keep up." Confidence neutralizes doubt. 7. Fear of losing control. How it's exploited. She might create chaos, e.g. last-minute plans to test your reactivity. Nietzsche's fix. He who cannot obey himself will be commanded. Control yourself, not situations. Action step. Pause. Say, "I'll decide how to handle this." Conclusion. Become the Übermensch. Nietzsche's overman transcends societal traps. To stop her before it's too late. 1. Detach from external validation. 2. Turn insecurities into self-awareness. 3. Act with intentionality, not fear. Women exploit weaknesses you allow them to see. Master your mind, and no one can manipulate you. If you found value in this breakdown of Nietzsche's philosophy and how it applies to modern masculinity, hit that like button and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, true strength isn't about proving yourself, it's about owning your path without apology. Subscribe now for more content on philosophy, psychology, and personal power. Thanks for watching. Now go, become the Übermensch.